Cardano is for the past couple of days pumping kinda well, and from this low to this high we already did here a pump around like 20%. And also in the long time perspective, this coin is still really undervalued. So if you are interested about the exact trades that I'm currently planning to take here, of course if certain conditions are met, then definitely watch this video till the end. Before this video continues, I just want to let you know that this YouTube channel is directly connected with my Discord trading group, where I am sharing everyday analysis on the altcoins that I'm currently watching. So if you are interested in that, you can check it out, and link to join is in the description or in the comments. Let's start today on a 30-minute chart. Here I am watching this bearish order block, which is between level 0.367 and 0.363. And here, if there will be breakout and that support confirmation, this can be a first good opportunity to a long trade. The exact trade can then look, for example, like this. So entry will be above this bearish order block after its support confirmation, and stop loss in this case you need to place just under this bearish order block, because if there will be breakdown again with a resistance confirmation, then the price is probably going down, so you don't want to hold your losing position longer than it's necessary. Your last take profit target you can place either above this first bearish order block, which is between level 0.401 and 0.398, or you can place it above the second bearish order block, which is between level 0.429 and 0.424. The reason why I am placing the last take profit targets above this order block is that if we are gonna test this area, there is, in my opinion, pretty high probability that we will just swipe the liquidity above, and then the market can reverse back down. And that's actually the main reason why I'm waiting for that support confirmation, because the usual take profit target from, let's say, some long position that you, for example, opened here or here will be above this bearish order block, because again there is still pretty high probability that we will just swipe the liquidity above and then the market can reverse back down. But if there will be that support confirmation, there is actually higher probability that the market will continue to go up. And as a traders, we are always counting here with certain probabilities. With a trade like this, you want to take here multiple take profit targets. So some profits you want to take, for example, under these previous highs, then definitely under these previous highs. And then if this will be your final take profit target, you need to save something to the last take profit targets. Otherwise, you want to take above this bearish order block only part of the profit, and then again you can save some back to the last take profit target. So in the end, from the risk reward ratio like 12, the risk reward ratio will be like 9.2, something like that, which is, in my opinion, really good. And if you will use, let's say, more safe last take profit target, then your risk reward ratio is gonna be like 5, maybe 4.8, something like that, which is still really good. So yeah, these are the two main setups that I'm currently watching on the 30-minute time frame, and both of these trading scenarios are really good. If we take a look on the 4-hour chart right now, I think there is actually pretty high probability that we are gonna test liquidity in this bearish order block, which is between levels 0.401 and 0.393. So you can see this bearish order block is kinda similar with that order block that I showed you on that 30 minutes time frame, you can see. So right now the potential long trade that I showed you on that 30-minute time frame is, in my opinion, really good. Other interesting setups on the 4-hour chart we currently don't have, because you can see, like right now, if I will be opening here a long trade, I simply don't know where I can place my stop loss. Of course I can place it, for example, under this previous low, which will be a good stop loss, but then if I will place my last take profit targets above this bearish order block, which is the actual main profit with that trade on a 30-minute time frame, then my risk reward is only 1.3, which is not good. And because as a traders we are always counting here with certain probabilities, then taking a trade with like these low risk reward ratios is, in my opinion, not a good idea if you want to be profitable in trading in the long run. If we take a look on a daily time frame, you want to pay attention to this falling wedge, because if there will be breakout with a support confirmation, then I think there will be really good opportunity for another long trade. The exact trade can then look, for example, like this. So entry will be above this resistance of this falling wedge, And again, entry will be only after a support confirmation, because without that, there is pretty high chance of a potential fake out. Stop loss in this case, you want to place somewhere back to this falling wedge, because if there will be breakdown again with a resistance confirmation, then the price is probably going down, so you don't want to hold your losing position longer than is necessary. And your last take profit target you can place above this second bearish order block, which is between level 0.775 and 0.739, which will give you a trade with risk reward ratio up to 15.3, which is absolutely amazing. Again, in this trade, you don't want to take multiple take profit targets. So some of the profits you want to definitely take under this first bearish order block, which is between level 0.522 and 0.497, because yeah, this will be like your first main important resistance. Then of course, some of the profits you, for example, want to take like under this or like this previous high, because yeah, you want to secure some of your profits here, and then for example, move your stop loss to entry or to a break even, so you can turn your profitable position into a loss. Then some of the profits you, for example, want to take like under this previous high, then this previous high, and you want to take then some of the profits in the last take profit target. And again, you want to place it above the bearish order block, because if we are gonna test this area, there is pretty high chance of a potential liquidity grab. But yeah guys, if you for example want to help with trading and you want to copy my exact trades, then definitely don't forget to join my Discord trading group, because I am sharing there those analysis every single day, and link to join is in the description or in the comments. But yeah, this will be all from me for today. Thanks again for watching this video till the end, and I will see you in the next one. See ya.